Hello everyone and welcome to the topic Centralized SON. In this we are going to discuss about Centralized SON. So in this work is all the more regularly thought nearer to the higher request network hubs or the organization OSS. Basically it is there to permit a more extensive outline of more edge components and coordination. So because of the need to work with cells provided by various gear merchant, this framework are all more orderly provided by the outsiders. So in this self-organizing network calculations for at least one use case dwell on the EMS or different SON worker which deals with eNode Bs. This incorporated methodology which takes into consideration more reasonable uses of these calculations. Here the dynamic update to the use case boundaries, they are deferred because KPIs and UE estimation data should be sent to a unified area for handling. Less data is accessible at this worker contrasted with that which would be accessible at the eNode B. Since the unified worker present a solitary purpose of disappointment, a blackout in the concentrated worker or black hole could bring about flat and absolute boundaries which are being utilized at the eNode B. Because of likely less successive updates of SON boundaries at the eNode B, contrasted with that it is conceivable in a convenient way. We have different SON architecture approaches, centralized, then distributed and hybrid. This is the central OM which have SON, EMS and eNode Bs which communicate through X2. Different advantages of this is adaptability, capacity to robotize, arrangement and coordination of different capacities, and capacity to correspond information across various measurement like execution estimation, flaw the executive information, etc. It works with higher perspective on the whole organization to execute various calculations. Thank you.